An emergency radio is essential to any emergency go bag or disaster preparedness kit, ensuring your family's ability to receive severe weather updates and other critical information. Emergency radios can receive warnings and notifications from high-frequency public service band stations. In this video, we will recommend you the 7 best emergency radios. We created this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we listed them based on quality, durability, price, and more. So, you can easily decide which is best for you. You can find the purchase link all over the products mentioned in this video down in the description below. Number 7. Kaito KA500 5-way powered solar power radio. The Kaito KA500 5-way powered solar power radio offers a lot of value through versatility, starting with its ability to pick up various radio signals. A dial is dedicated to presets for all 7 NOAA weather stations and tuning for AM/FM radio. It's one of the few radios that pick up long-distance shortwave radio signals, often including international informational broadcasts. The KA500 features a headphone jack and 3 varieties of LED lights you can use for reading or flashlight modes. The KA500 also provides extra options when it comes to its power supply. You can insert 3 disposable AA batteries, recharge the internal battery through a micro USB cable, plug in an AC adapter from a wall outlet, or use the built-in solar panel. The hand crank is available if those other options fail you, though the mechanism isn't the sturdiest. It's not powerful enough to replenish other devices fully, but you can use it to raise the charge level on smartphones. Number 6. VONDIOR NOAA Weather Radio. The VONDIOR NOAA Weather Radio is a diminutive size that fits in the palm of your hand, not to mention any emergency bag or kit. It receives AM/FM plus NOAA weather signals, and you can even set it to an alert mode that automatically gets severe weather broadcasts as they come in. Despite its small size, the VONDIOR NOAA Weather Radio is capable of surprisingly strong sound quality. It produces loud, clear audio and gets strong reception through its advanced signal processing chip and 6-inch telescopic antenna. Its manual tuner, while potentially more difficult for large fingers to operate because of its tiny size, allows for finer audio signal control than you can get with automatic tuning. This radio also has a port for headphones, which can be hard to find among emergency radios. It will easily fit into your pocket or any emergency bag and receive almost any frequency range. Number 5. Midland ER40 Emergency Crank Radio. The Midland ER40 Emergency Crank Radio features NOAA weather information and alerts. Receive National Weather Service alerts anytime, anywhere. Radio delivers both visual and audio signals. The Midland ER40 features a solar panel that charges the internal lithium-ion battery via direct sunlight. A hand crank allows you to recharge the radio during a power outage or any time away from a power source. Perfect for a short charge to get a call made during an emergency. This device includes a rechargeable 2,600 mAh battery. This ER40 radio is equipped with a flashlight that's ideal for everyday use and can signal for help in an emergency. The flashlight has high/low options with an SOS strobe for emergencies. The Midland ER40 includes a digital AM/FM radio for entertainment and live information. It has a large, backlit LCD that provides visibility. ER40 radio is equipped with a wrist lanyard for easy carrying. Number 4. DaringSnail Emergency Crank Weather Radio. The DaringSnail Emergency Crank Weather Radio not only dependably receives up to the newest emergency weather forecasts from NOAA and AM/FM stations to be well prepared advanced. It also has a 2,000 mAh large capacity battery that can provide emergency power to any small tablet or phone. The brighter LED flashlight and reading lamp could light up your darkness. It has SOS alarm, external antenna, comfortable hand crank, and tap switch to fit all your needs in an emergency. This emergency radio comes with a 2,000 mAh power bank, which works with most USB-powered devices. This emergency crank radio with a 2,000 mAh built-in battery doesn't only charge via USB cable. You could also power the emergency radio by hand crank and solar panel to ensure that you can usually use the solar crank radio. It has AAA batteries, which are found in every household and are easy to get. The emergency radio also could provide a 4 LED reading lamp and 1 W LED flashlight. Number 3. Esky Emergency Hand Crank Radio. The Esky Emergency Hand Crank Radio offers similar critical features as pricier alternatives. Its extendable antenna picks up NOAA weather signals and AM/FM radio. It doesn't provide emergency alerts or shortwave reception, but it's easy enough to tune into what you need. The ESEE-01's decent-sized 1000 mAh lithium-ion battery is estimated to last for 7 hours of operation, and you can charge it through a micro USB cable, solar panel, or hand crank. You can also use it to charge other USB devices. It includes an LED flashlight but no other light modes or a reading lamp. Esky fits these capabilities into a device in your pocket, much like a smartphone. The trade-off is that plastic construction isn't the sturdiest option available and doesn't come with any durability or waterproof ratings. However, it weighs only about half a pound, so that it can go anywhere. Number 2. Raynic 5000 Solar Hand Crank Emergency Radio. The Raynic 5000 Solar Hand Crank Emergency Radio with multiple power backup options are the best choice. 0.5 power sources including a hand crank, solar panel, and AC power to make it easier to keep the radio running during a prolonged situation where AC power is off. The upgraded crank radios is enough to charge your cell phone or USB devices for a brief call or a text message during an emergency. And plus a 3.5mm headphone jack allows you to enjoy radio shows without disturbing others. This NOAA Weather Alert radio are specially designed for emergency need. But it requires being powered on and manually tuned into a local weather station to receive alerts. It has standard analog tuning of AM/FM/SW/7 preset NOAA weather channels. This pocket-sized portable emergency radio is surprisingly small and light. Its dimension is 7.5 into 3.5 into 4.7 inch and weight 1.2 lb, and it comes with SOS alarm function and a necessary compass. Number 1. Eton American Red Cross Radio. The Eton American Red Cross Radio with a large, ergonomic hand crank that requires little effort to generate power for delivering a superior combination of sound quality, playback time, and reception. Its superior audio quality provides clear, crisp sound that allows you to hear every word of a NOAA weather band, unlike other models that produce distorted, static-filled audio. Its superior battery provides 8.7x longer playback time than lesser models. Unlike other radios with analog tuners, it has an easy-to-adjust digital tuner that receives radio stations. Additional superior features include an integrated LED flashlight, USB port for charging smartphones, mini USB cable, and a built-in solar panel for supplemental power. We can't mention the price, because it is constantly changing. All these links are available in the description box. Don't forget to check the update price. We will be back with more videos soon.